Hey everyone. If you want to use Chrome extensions without internet in 2026, like when you're offline, traveling, or have weak connection, this video is for you. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Chrome extensions offline. First, check if the extension supports offline mode inside Google Chrome. Not all extensions are designed to work without an internet connection. Next, install extensions that support offline features. I mean, tools like note takers, PDF readers, and task managers often work without internet. Now, make sure to sync or preload your data while you're still online. This allows the extension to function later, even without internet access. After that, enable offline settings inside the extension if available. I mean, some extensions have built-in offline modes you can turn on. Next, use extensions that rely on local files and storage. These work directly on your device without needing internet. Now, test the extension by turning off your internet connection. I mean, this helps you confirm everything is working properly offline. Finally, keep your extensions updated. Updates often improve offline performance and fix bugs. So yeah, that's how you use Chrome extensions offline in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll stay productive even without internet. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Chrome tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey